Who is this, sis? Good morning, beautiful people. Damn, what's good? It's your girl Alicia, and I am back with another video. So today I am going to be doing something with my hair yet again. My 23rd birthday is coming up, or probably by the time I've posted this video it's already gone. So I'm gonna do my hairstyle for you guys. So let me just go ahead and get right into it. So this is the ponytail. Has a drawstring and it has the little cap inside, and it has, I believe, it has two clips. Clip here and a clip here. So yeah, let's put some pins in here. Alright. And now that that's in, I am going to wrap this bad boy around. See what I mean? Like, it's already getting all zhugga on me. When you comb it out, it's good, but I'm gonna take a piece from the back. I'm gonna wrap it around the edge of the hair. So that's that for the ponytail. Like I said, I just need this thing to last me for just a day or two. So yeah, that's the ponytail. I already know these ends are gonna get raggedy by the end of tonight, but it's okay. And this is super long on me. I love it. It's like mid-back. So ponytail is good. Now onto the bang. So this is a clip-in bang. And I'm assuming it would be here, all the way up here. I think that's really, really cute. Pop the clips. And then make sure it's nice and centered. And I'm going to put this part all the way up here so people don't necessarily see it. Who is this, sis? Yeah, this is good. So I'm going to flat iron this and then cut this a tiny bit. But for the most part, it's done. I have not cut bangs before, so y'all just pray for me. So guys, this is the finished look. I might have jacked up my bang a little bit, but I think it's doable. What y'all think? Just gonna have to do. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share, and obviously subscribe to the channel. Join the fam. But yeah, y'all stay blessed and have a great day.